Magandang araw mga busing. Kami nga po pala ang Car WorX team. Kayo po ba ay may problema sa inyong sasakyan? Kalampag, lagutok, o matagtag na Underchassis? O di naman kay matigas, may tagas, o maingay na Manibela? Ang aming team po ay handang magserbisyo sa inyo. Kami din po ay tumatanggap ng home service within Metro Manila area. Kami po ay nagbebenta ng iba't ibang underchassis at power steering parts tulad ng shock absorbers, lowering springs, tie rod, rock end, suspension arms, rubber lifters, electronic power steering, electronic shock absorbers, rubber bushings, coil springs, ball joints, cover stopper, engine support, stabilizer links at iba pa. Sa iba't ibang modelo ng sasakyan tulad ng Honda, Toyota, Mazda, Ford, BMW, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Chrysler, Hyundai, Suzuki, Mercedes, Chevrolet, Kia, at Lexus. Car WorX Underchassis and Power Steering Specialist specializes on car underchassis and power steering repair. We have experienced mechanic to attend all your underchassis and power steering repair needs. We provide free checkup and estimate. We also offer cheaper price on our services but quality works guaranteed. Dito sa Car WorX, we keep you moving.